shrimp. What am I using? Our TKO Shrimp Creole color from MatrixShad.com. Alright, during this time of year, going from that September, October period of time, it's known as transition time. And the fish are going to move around a lot, and what keeps them moving and what they're going to stay on is the white shrimp. That is the absolute key to where the speckled trout are going to be located at. And wherever the white shrimp are, a lot of times that's where the seagulls are going to be diving, and they'll tell the tale of where the fish are at. So when we pull up to an area and maybe see a few shrimp jumping or some seagulls diving, even if it's 8, 10, 15 foot of water, we still like to use popping corks. And the reason you use the popping corks, the matrix floats, or whatever cork you really like, is because it makes the sound of a shrimp jumping out the water. Whatever you have underneath is up to you. We were using matrix shads and the TKO shrimp today, and just by having that sound of the cork is really the key. Now today's particular day, we were coming right off the back end of Hurricane Michael, which was devastating to the Panhandle and even created a storm surge here. And it was our first day of getting some northerly winds in quite a long time, which creates colder temperatures, obviously. First day wearing a jacket or a sweatshirt all day, and that created an incredible falling tide all day, pulling a lot of shrimp out of the marsh, and they got all balled up on top of trout and underneath seagulls diving. And that was the ticket. So let me go ahead and send you back to watching some of the clips from this morning of catching fish just about every cast. In his mouth the whole time. Keeper. Got you one, double trouble. Well, now you know, as soon as the first few cold fronts start hitting in the month of October, it's time to look for the birds and catch beautiful speckled trout like these right here. I hope you enjoyed this episode of DockSide TV. Catching nice trout under the popping corks using the matrix shad, whoa, and the TKO Shrimp Creole color. Until next time, good fishing. Oh, is he? Yeah. Oh yeah, get that. The broken line.
Is that what you're from?
No.